How to use AnyDesk on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how to use AnyDesk on your Android. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you need to download and install the AnyDesk application if you have not installed it yet. For that, open up Google Play Store. Now tap on the search icon and in the search bar, search for AnyDesk application and install this application. Once the installation is complete, you have to open the application and you have to grant all the necessary permissions to allow AnyDesk to function properly. So another step is to connect to another device. The first one, if you want to access another device, you have to open up your AnyDesk and then locate your AnyDesk address. Here, if you see, a unique number is displayed at the top of the app. That is your AnyDesk address. So if you want to access another device, you have to share this number with the person you want to connect with or enter AnyDesk address of the device you want to connect in the remote desk field. So if you want to connect to the other person, you have to share your address, or if you want to connect other device, you have to type in their remote address at the top section where it says remote address. After that, in order to connect, tap on connect option and then the remote device must accept the connection request. Now, second, if you want to allow access to your device, you have to share your AnyDesk address with the person who needs to connect and accept their connections request by tapping accept in the pop-up that appears. So that was all about connecting to another device. Now, if you want to adjust connection settings such as or your adjust settings like display quality, touch mode and session permission from the toolbar during a session, you can do that as well. If you tap on the three-line icon from the top right corner, then go to your settings. Here you will have various settings. If you tap on general, there you have the various settings under the general where you can turn on the incoming connection request, the sound on session creation, sound on session close, or so any desktop ID instead of li. So if you want to do that as well, you can do that under the general. And on the same way, you can check the different settings such as your security, and there is a privacy as well where you have the setup for your account privacy. So if you go to the recording, here you have in various options. If you want to record the incoming sessions or record the outgoing sessions, so you can do that as well on the recording. If you go on the file transfer, here it says show parent folder in the file list. If you want to disable, simply tap on it and the tick mark will disappear. So if you want to go to the display, there you have various display options. You can choose the quality from there. Either you want the best quality, balanced, or the speed. If you scroll down a bit, there you have various visual helpers such as preserve details, show remote cursor, follow remote cursor, and follow remote window focus. So if you want to change that, you can do that as well under the display. And the same way, there are various settings right here you can do. Now, in order to end the session or to disconnect, simply close the application or tap the disconnect button in the toolbar. So while using the AnyDesk, you have to ensure that both the device have a stable internet connection for smooth operation, and for the security, you can use a secure password for unattended access if needed. So these are all the way on how you can use AnyDesk on the Android. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.